Hi everyone. So now we're going to create the content from scratch. So if si client binigyan kayo ng idea na ang gusto niya na content for let's say next week is about um, let's say about facial mask. So and walang binigay si client na images or videos. So you're the one who's going to provide. So what you're gonna do, you can go to pixels.com. This is free. You don't need to join. You don't need to sign up. Just use it as a guest. So ito na siya. So let's say videos ang gusto natin. So let's say facial mask. So iyan. So ito na yung mga result. This is free as I've said earlier. So this yung makikita nyo may sponsored, yun na yung may bayad. So, we don't need to click that. So, just choose na yung free. Let's say this one. So, as you can see, related naman siya, face mask, about face mask. So, just need to download. So, ayan, meron na tayong video. So, what we gonna do, we need to have caption about face mask. So now, let's go to ChatGPT. So si ChatGPT naman ay allowed kay client. Ina-allow naman siya ni client. So if merong si client na gustong specific na application na gamitin, sila naman yung magpo-provide for you. So for now, so we're going to use ChatGPT. So follow these steps as a copywriter. Create a caption for Facebook with hashtag about benefits of using facial mask. So, ayan. So, as you can see, nakapag-provide na rin si ChatGPT na with hashtag. So, hindi na tayo mamumroblema kung ano yung pipiliin nating or gagamitin nating hashtag. So, if hindi pa to okay sa inyo, you can type create more or just more. So, ayan. We have 1, 2, 3. Three captions na pinrovide ni ChatGPT. So, pipili na lang tayo. Let's say this one. Transform your skin in minutes. So, ayan, with hashtag. So, now, paano naman natin siya i-schedule? Let's say, ang gusto ni client on, let's say, next week, Monday. So, what we gonna do, if meron si client na ipo-provide na specific na application na gagamitin, he's going to provide you the username and password as well. So, for now, para makapag-practice tayo, so you can use Publer. So, this is free. You can try it on your own. You can practice. And then, pwedeng mag-sign up or you can use your Google. So, ako kasi mas ko si Google para siya. Google. It's easier. So, okay. In here in socials accounts, so dito nakalagay yung mga social connected na social platform ni client. So, let's say we're going to create sa Facebook. So, click or so ito yung ating video. And then yung caption na ready na from ChatGPT. and then paste, and then we just need to wait until maging successful yung pag-upload ng video. So, okay, now you're going to choose if it's post, reel, or story. So hindi siya pwede. So, just for post. So, and then schedule. So, let's say gusto ni client is on Wednesday at, let's say, 7:30. So, click schedule. So, as you can see, it's successfully scheduled already. So, what you're gonna do is go to calendar and then go to the date. It's here. So, if you want to edit, just click edit. So, if meron kayo nakalimutang ilagay, you can just add and then save. Wag niyong i-click yung publish kasi mag-automatic siya magpa-publish siya nung araw na yun. So, just click save and then that's it. So, meron na kayong content for uh, for Facebook on Wednesday, October 2nd. So, ayan. That's it. Grazie.